Okay, so everyone get ready. Everyone get ready. You do immediately. Experimental verification means you have to do yourself experimentally. You have to get the result. So everyone get ready with compass. Not here, compass is not compulsory. Scale, pencil. In the and in place of compass, we use here set square. But in construction, we have to use compass. But in place of compass, we can use here set square. To draw 90-degree angle, we use here set square. Or we can use protractor also. So all of you are here from two sections, E and F only, yeah?
Yes, sir.
E and F only. Okay. So I'm going to start today's topic. Everyone get ready. Today's topic, the last one, experimental verification left in square. Okay, everyone, look here. Okay. Have you got in the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have got. You look here. What says in the statement of this experiment? Everyone look. Okay. The diagonals of a square bisects the vertices. Diagonals of a square bisects the vertices. Look here. In a square, there are 4 vertices. Okay? There are 4 vertices. Everyone look. There are 4 vertices. Everyone look here. Okay. Everyone, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So still joining your friends, we're doing late. Okay. You look here. We are going to verify the diagonals of a square bisect the vertices. Everyone get ready here. Have you seen anything in the screen?
Yes, sir. 2 squares.
Only 2 square, yeah? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
how to start? You look here. How to start? You look here. First of all, we have to draw the figure. 2 figures I have not rubbed. But the first figure you cannot see. You cannot see the first figure. Okay, look here. The diagonals of each square bisect the vertices. You remember the steps. Remember the steps. I am going to explain. Everyone look here. Draw 3 squares ABCD with different sizes. You look. You draw 3 squares ABCD with different sizes. You are saying square, but your figures not matching. Many of your figures not matching. You have to draw matching figure. You are saying square, but I found all the sides not equal. And each of the angle not 90 degree. Then how you can say that is the figure is square? Figure should be matched. Figure should be matched. Everyone. Okay. So next you look here. Draw diagonals. You look in the second figure and third figure. Draw diagonals AC and BD in each square intersecting 8.0. Intersecting 8.0. Okay, you draw the diagonal with the help of scale. Don't use your free hand. Some of you are doing very carelessly. Okay, so be sincerely. Do be sincere and do sincerely. Everyone. Now, next you look here. Okay. Now measure the required angles with the help of protractor and tabulate their measurements in the table below. Okay. After this you look here. I am going to show the first figure. First figure. Okay. Everyone look here. Okay. You look here. You got the first figure. So you remember the steps. How to start. Draw 3 squares ABCD with different sizes. Draw diagonals AC and BD in each square intersecting 8.0. You look here, two diagonals, they are intersecting 8.0. You look here, they are intersecting. And by the cursor. And measure the required angles with the help of protractor and tabulate their measurement in the table below. Okay, now next you look here. Now we need the table. We need the table to tabulate the measurements of required. You look, name of. Okay, everyone, you look here. 4 vertices. You look, this A, B, C, this B, C, D, this C, D, A, this D, A, B. You look here, this one is D, A, B. Okay. So like this, name of vertices, these are 4 vertices. This one, and this one. In short form, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. But using 3 letters, for B we have to write ABC. For C we have to write BCD, angle BCD. For D we have to write angle CDA. And for A we have to write angle DAB or BAD. Look, these are the angles of square. These are the angles of squares. These are the vertices of squares. So all of them must have 90 degree. All of them must be 90 degree. Are you doing with me or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do immediately. I have found your figures, your diagram not matching. Not matching. Here, square, all the sides must be equal. Saying square, but all the sides I found not equal. In the case of rectangle also. Rectangle, saying rectangle, but their diagonal sometimes not equal and opposite sides not equal. Opposite sides not parallel. Each of the angle not equal to 90 degree. If like this you are drawing the figure, that's not rectangle. In the case of square also, you look here. You look here, angle A and angle C here shown 90 degree. Actually all angles are 90 degree here. Angle B, angle C, angle D. And all the sides equal. You look here notation, this notation, this notation. Notation you look here, this notation shows all the sides are equal. Okay. Here, 2 diagonals are drawn here. AC and BD intersecting 8.0. They are intersecting 8.0. In first figure also, in second figure also, in third figure also. In all the figure, you have to give the same name. In experimental verification, you need 3 figures. Unless you are told to draw only 1 or only 2, you have to draw 3 figures. It is understood. Now next step is here. Now parts of the vertices we need. Parts of vertices. You look in the first column, second column, in third column parts of vertices. ABO, ABO and CBO, two parts. Look, parts of the vertex ABC, it has two parts. This is one part, this is another part. ABC is 45 degree, CBO 45 degree. It must be 45. Each part must be 45. Otherwise, it is not bisecting, diagonal not bisecting the vertices. Look, in second, BCO. Now parts of the vertex BCD. One part is, you look here, one part is this part, BCO. Another part is, you look here, OCD. BCO is one part, 45 degree, and another part OCD also 45 degree. Now parts of the vertex CDA. Let's see. Here you look. This angle is CDA. Its parts, one part is CDO and another part is ODA. Both of them must be 45 degree. Now the last part here, A, vertex A. What are the parts of vertex A? Vertex A means angle DAB. Angle DAB. Vertex A means. In short, we can write A, but to give its complete name, full name, we have to use three letters. And by using three letters, we can write angle DAB or BAD. So you look here, its parts, two parts. DAO, one part 45 degree, another part OAD, that also 45 degree. Like this we'll get. Now from second figure and third figure, I have not measured here. I have not measured. Okay, try